Good morning, student. Welcome to the class. I am going to teach you chapter number 10, Light and Shadow. The key topics of this chapter are light, how do we see, transparent, translucent and opaque object, shadow, movement of earth, formation of day and night and eclipse. So today I am going to teach you about light and how do we see things. These are the two topics we cover in this video. First of all, what is light? Light is a form of energy, as you have learned in chapter number 9, where you have learned the types of energy. Energy means ability to do work. So, light is also an ability by which we can do work. Because if light is not there, we are unable to see things. Because of light, we are able to see each and every things. So dear children, we see the things around us because of light only. When the sun rises up in the morning, we see each and everything, even the dust also. You can see when the light coming from the sun into your window, you can see the dust particles moving. In that light, you are able to see them. Just you are seeing one more thing in that. When you close the window, the light is not coming inside your house. And when you open the window, then the light is coming inside your house. Then you slightly close the window. What you will see, the light changes direction, which is coming to your face. Now it's turned towards the other side of you. As you open the window again, what you will see, the light is coming on your face. Why this will happen? This is happening because lights always travel in a straight line. Yes, light travel in straight line. That is why when we draw a sun, we always draw the lines in a straight way. In the drawing of a sun. When you are in class 1 and 2, you always draw the sun like this. Why we are making these lines straight? Because light travel is straight line. Okay? Now, we see the things around us because of light. As soon as the sun sets, what will we do? We are opening we are switch on the tube lights, bulbs, all the things. Whatever it is possible. If light is not there, we are opening the inverters that help us to see the things around us. Inverters give the light to the tube light and then we are able to see. And if inverters is over, then what will we do? We are starting to search where is the candle is and we are light the candle that we are able to see others' faces. Okay? So, because of light only, we are able to see the things around us. Even a small stone which are unable to see in the dark, we are able to see in the morning time when the sun is there. Now, the first topic in your book is light. Light is a form of energy. It helps us to see things. One of the basic property of light is to travel in a straight line. Then, if an object is coming its path, it changes direction. Now see, when the light is coming in front of you and you are closing the window, it is not coming. The same thing is here. The light is traveling in a straight line. When you put a cardboard or a book over it, the light is change its direction. When you are moving in a hot sun, you are having a book in your hand, you would place it on your face. So, the shadow of the object is coming to your face, but light is not coming to your face. So, you understand that light source of light. Natural source of light. What is natural source of light? Sun, fire are the natural source of light, naturally which give us light. So, sun and fire are the example. Then, artificial source of light. Artificial source of lights are candles, torch, matchsticks and tube light, bulb. These all are the artificial source of light. I can write an example as bulb, candles, torch. These all are the artificial source of light. Now, there is an experiment in your book that how to show that light travel in a straight line. That experiment you can do it by your own self at your home. This is your homework. I can tell you how. You can take a roll of an aluminum foil. You all are having aluminum foil at your home. Or if you don't have, then you take one pipe. You can use also a plastic pipe or a straw to use it. As you can use a straw also. Light a candle on your table or somewhere in a safe place that you do not get hurt from the candle. Then you see, put the straight roll over it. That is straight. If you are using that aluminum roll, then you can use it, or you can using a straw. Then place it under the. Suppose this is a candle, and you can place it on straight towards it. You can see it from the arm. What you will see, that light is coming directly from the candle. As you just bend it, slightly bend that one, then what you will feel, that only you will see the orange color light or sometimes dark light. You are not able to see the candle. Why? Because light always travels in a straight line and it's traveling up. Okay, you can see it from the side also. It is traveling to the side. Means when you burn a candle, this is a candle, and when you start burning, it will be moved in a straight line. Means all are the straight line is traveling like this. When you place a roll over here and you want to see the candle light, you are able to see the candle light. But just as you turn it a little bit, you are not able to see the light. You are just seeing the orange light, but you are not able to see the candle. So this experiment you can do it at your home. You can use also a cardboard to see that light is traveling in a straight or not. Take one cardboard, or you can use your book also. Light a candle, or you can use a torch. Put a torch on the table. Place a hardboard or a book in front of it. What you will see, the other side is unable to see anything. You are unable to see, the light is moving from that object. Why? Because light is traveling in a straight line. As you make a hole in the hardboard or a paper and place in front of the torch, you will see that light is passing from that hole. Okay, understand this much? Now the next topic is, how do we see things? How do we see things? We see things because of our eyes. Because the images are making in our eyes. And who makes the images? Only light. Because at the night time, when we switch on the lights and all the things, the images are not making in our eyes, and that is why we are not able to see the things properly. So, objects like sun, star, candles, lamp, bulbs and tube light produce lights, and these objects are called luminous objects. When the light from luminous objects fall on any object, it reflects back to our eyes and we are then able to see the object. Means there are two types of object. One is luminous object and another is non-luminous object. Okay. And non-luminous object. Luminous objects are those objects which produced light. Object, those objects which produce light. Because of these objects only we are able to see the things, because they are producing the light. When they produce the lights, the things on which the light go, it reflects back to our eyes and the images are formed, and that is why we are able to see the things. These objects are sun and bulb. Yes, any other object, luminous object, tube lights, candles, these all are give us light. Sun, candles, bulb. Now, non-luminous objects. What are non-luminous objects? Objects that do not produce light are called non-luminous objects. Objects which do not produce light are known as non-luminous objects. These objects are, can you give me some example? Yes, book, stone, wall, table, pen. These all are non-luminous objects. You can write an example of book, and you can write wall. Yes, you can use, here I am using this chalk, it is also a non-luminous object. You can write chalk also. These all are the non-luminous objects. Thank you, students.